In today's video, I'm installing new BMW badges on the E92 325D. So it's pretty straightforward, just gonna clip it out and clip it in, and these overlays should just stick over. So I'll just quickly show you guys, pretty straightforward. Right, so I've got the prior tool, this just needs flying off, shouldn't be too hard, and then obviously I've got the other ones, and then they'll just go straight on. So let me just fly it off. And I've broken it, so the clips are stuck in there now, but we can just pry this out. So let me just pry it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like once done. Right, so we've managed to get it out. We just need to clean this up and we'll put the new badges on, and then I'll show you guys. Right, this is the old one and this is the new one. This is the sticker that I'll just stick on there. So let's line it up and just put it on. Right, so after I put it in, turns out the plugs that were already here, we ended up pushing it through, so the clips, they're not big enough to slot in, so they just kept coming out. So I've got some plugs for some reason in the car, so I'm going to put it in now, and let's see if it stays in. Right, we've got it to that bit. I might just put some glue on it just to secure it properly. This side is a bit loose. Other than that, it's in. Just need to put the badge on now, so it should literally just sit like that. So let me quickly put this on and I'll show you guys the finished result. Right, so if you come closer, you can see it on now. It sits quite nice. It's got the carbon effect on it if you go closer. So this is the old one. And look at the difference between them. The right side's carbon, this side's normal. Now that's the back one, onto the front one. The only reason I'm changing them now is because they're a bit faded. There we go. I broke this one as well. Yeah, I brought this one as well. But yeah, let me take these out and I'll put the other ones, I'll show you guys. Right, so that one's in as well. It looks a lot better, that does. It looks a lot cleaner. Right, so that's all for this video. That's the badges on the BMW E92 325D. I will be changing the wheel cap ones. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, the wheel cap ones will be getting changed. They've come, they're in the boot. They'll be getting changed when the alloys get refurbed. So just waiting for the date to get the wheel sent in, and then once they're done, I'll do a video on that, and the wheel caps will get put on then. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.